Hello class 5 students, I hope you all are fine and keeping yourself safe. My dear children, in the previous class we have done most of the syllabus of Abacus, and I hope you have remembered all the formulas and able to solve the pages which I have given you last class. So here we have many pages of revision where numbers has to be added or subtracted. Let's do the 4 questions here. 836, 8 plus 36 is not possible. What is the formula for 6? Minus 4 plus 10, big friend formula, which is not applicable here. So we'll apply combination formula, plus 1 minus 5 plus 10. Then 96, 90 is not possible. What is big friend formula? Minus 1 plus 10, minus 1 plus 10, this is 90. And 6 big friend formula is minus 4 plus 10. Then minus 98, minus 90 is not possible. What is the formula? That is minus 100 plus 10. So minus 100 plus 10, minus 100 plus 10 is not possible. So we will apply combination formula, that is minus 100 plus 50 minus 40. This is minus, and minus 8 is not possible. What is the formula? That is minus 10 plus 2. Minus 10 is not possible. So we will do plus 40 minus 50. This is minus 10 and plus 2. Next, plus 85. It is not possible. Apply this big friend formula, minus 2 plus 10. This is 80 and then 5. So the answer is 227. Next, we will do 8th question, that is 77 plus 87. It is not possible. Apply big friend formula, minus 2 plus 10, or you can say minus 20 plus 100. This is plus 80. Plus 7 is not possible. Plus 7 big friend formula is minus 3. Minus 3 is not possible. So apply combination formula, that is plus 2 minus 5 plus 10. Next, 11 is 1, and here we have to add 1. Apply small friend formula, plus 5 minus 4. Then plus 85, it is not possible. Big friend formula is minus 20 plus 100. This is 80 and 5. 5 is not possible. Minus 5 plus 10. The big friend formula. Minus 36, minus 30 is not possible here. So since minus 50 is possible, we can apply the small friend formula for minus 30. That is plus 20 minus 50. This is minus 30. Then minus 6. Minus 6 big friend formula is minus 10 plus 4. So the answer on the Abacus is 224. Now we have decimals where we use the center unit dot. It is our decimal points. 45.41. This is our ones place. 45.41. Next is 92.70. 90 is not possible. Apply the big friend formula, minus 10 plus 100. 90 plus 2. 92.70. 7 is not possible. What is the formula of big friend? Minus 3 plus 10. So minus 3 plus 10. And 0 is here. So the answer is 138.11. Sorry students, we did a small mistake that we have not subtracted but added. So let's do this question again. This is 45. We need the central dot. This is the central dot for decimal. 45.41. 92.70. 90 is not possible. Minus 10 plus 100, 90 and 2.70. 7 is not possible. Minus 3 plus 10 and 0. Next is minus 45. So here we have to subtract minus 4. Subtract 4. So 4 is not possible. What is the formula? For applying small friend formula for minus 4, we need minus 5, which is not here. So we will apply the big friend formula for minus 4. That is minus 10 plus 6. So here we will apply minus 100 plus 6. This is minus 40 and 5. Minus 5 plus 10. Plus 10, how will we do? Minus 90 plus 100. Then minus 5 minus 5, 8. So here it is minus. Minus is not possible. What will we do? Apply the big friend formula for minus 5. That is minus 10 plus 5. This is minus 5 and minus 8. Minus 8 is not possible. Apply the big friend formula. That is minus 10 plus 2. So the answer is 92.53. Okay, this way we will do. Now students, today's new topic is the multiplication of 4-digit number. So in the previous class, what did I say? First we have to find how many rods do we need. So count the number of digits. 1 2 3 4 5. We need 5 digits. 1 2 3 4 5 till here 10,000. First 2 will multiply 4, then 3. So 2 4s are is 12. So which rods do we use? We use the last 2. That means 10,000 and 1,000. Clear? So 2 4s are is 12 or 8. This is 8. 2 4s are 8. So 0 8 we will take. Show 8. Now move your finger to these 2 rods. 2 3s are is 6. That means 0 6. Now these 2 rods will be used. 2 3s are 6 again. 0 6. And last 2 rods, 2 6 are 12. So 1 2 12. So answer is, this is 8,672. 8,672. Okay, this way we will do. Let me show you one more question and then we will end the class. Next is 7 will multiply 3. Remember how many rods do we need? We need 5 rods. 1 2 3 4 5. And we will begin with 5th and 4th rod. 7 3s are 21. 21. Then these 2 rods, 7 9s are 63. This is 60 and this is 3. Now move these 2 rods. 7 zeros are 0. Don't do anything. Last 2 rods, 7 4s are 28. 20 and 8. So what is the answer? The answer is, this is 27,328. 27,328. This way you will do. Okay students, now our syllabus is complete. What you need to do is remember the formulas and apply them. Complete this level 4A book. Have a nice day. God bless you.